for the rebound. Bito on the rebound. He spins, another spins. Bito on bounce pass, picks, and another do is spin. Pass to the middle. Hook shot, yes sir. 4-3. Bang! 3-4. No look pass to sa loob. Pull up jumper, baseline, yes sir. Welcome to Pinoy Super League Basketball. And first ball possession para sa Team Caloocan. And the corner, the fix. And corner sa tres. Won't go. And the rebound put back. First blood para sa red team. And it's Team Caloocan. Idol. Ayos naman, Idol. And to the middle. Hey. Basket for two. And here comes Team Wildcat. And the bounce pass. Will pass to the middle. Hook shot. Yes, sir. And here's Team Caloocan. And to the corner. Fires at three. Bang! 3 points. Here's Team Wildcat. Oh, ball is stolen. And now all alone. And an easy lace. And the style, and a pass, and all alone again. Back to back, 2 points. And the bump, and the pass, cross pass. And setting the play for Team Wildcats. And he dribbled the ball. And a pass again, fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. Bito on, goes inside the pass back sa gitna. Bito on will recover. Open look, fires at 3. Very good, rebound. Pass rejected. Pass break. Sa 3, babawi. Bang! And it's Team Caloocan. Ball possession. Post up, bounce pass. Ang lucky mo. Basket and 1. And here's inbounding. To the middle. Will attack. Will bump. Falling away. Won't go. Fight for the rebound. Bito on the rebound. He spins. Another spins. Bito on bounce pass. Picks. And another do is spinas. And this Wildcat sa corner. Mid-range sa 3. Bang! 3 points at the Bito on. Pass back. Bito on. Bito on di-discard. Sisinyas. Between the legs. Will drive, will spin, falling away, bullseye, Bito. And his Team Wildcat. Number 30, Stephen Carey, the hook pass to the middle. And Alvarez, pass back to the middle, fires at 3, short. And the pass for Team Caloocan, fixed clutch fire of the window, basket and 1. And ball possession for Team Caloocan. Bounce pass corner. To the middle. Corner. Sa gitna. Fires at 3. Rejected. And stolen. And the bounce pass. Please. Hang time. Nugget. Put back shot of the window. Basket and 1. And here's Team Caloocan. The post up. The fire. Reject. Oy. Short. And here's Team Wildcat, lumusot in the pass, picks, and a dribble, and a kicks out, fires at 3, short. No look pass to sa loob, pull up jumper, baseline, yes sir. And the pass sa gitna, wing side. Bounce pass, pull up jumper, baseline bucket, the answer. And the crossover. Stolen. And the pass, 3-on-1, pinasa pa. May foul. Basket and his Team Caloocan. And the pass, fires at 3. Won't go. Team Wildcat ball possession. And Stops and pass. Will attack, will bump. Open look, fix, drive. Sa loob, sinausaw. And will attack. Goes inside, kicks out. Bounce pass. And corner fix. 4-3. Bang! 3-point. Kicks out. Wild open for 3. Very good. Rebound pa rin. And no bus. Up. No bus. 6-4 team. Wildcat. And the pass to the middle. And Batak sa gitna. Corner pass. Far sa 3. Very good. Sanga. And cross pass. Corner 3. Bang! During the play. Will attack. Wing side. Sa 3. Bang! Another 3. And here's Team Caloocan. And pass to the wing side to the middle. And another pass. Papasok. No good. Fight for the rebound. The rebound, the fix. One bounce and fire. Basket. And slowly dribbling the ball. And stops you to the middle. And pass to the wing side. Will attack. Will lace. Pocket for 2. And deep 3. And a put back of the window. Manny. This team Wildcat. Post up. Goes to the screen. And a fake and fire 3. Bang! 3 points. Founding. And now looking for receiver in the pass. Will attack. The floater shot. Basket and 1. And a Team Caloocan basketball. And to the wing arm, inside pass. Posting up his spins, hook shot. Yes, sir! And a ball possession for Team Caloocan. Biton. Deep 3. Bang! Biton! The pass, Biton. Stops. And pass to the wing side, to the middle. Will stops, will spin, will kicks out, will drives, the lace. Bucket for 2. 10 seconds on the game clock. Will crossover, will attack, will kicks out, pull up jumper, bullseye, the nets. That's the end. B2 on for Team Caloocan. Third quarter action, ball is stolen. And here's Team Wildcat, the fake, the lace, yes sir. Down to 2-point lead. For Team Caloocan, here's Biton. Stops to wings arms, corner pass to the middle. And recover. Wild open for 3. Bang! 3 points. And the corner pass fix. He dribble the ball. And will stop. Will bump. Release. Yes, sir. Inbounding. And dribbling the ball, Biton. The pass to the wing side. Corner 3. Bang! 3 points. And the cross pass. Inside pass. Libre. Easy 2. And the stop and the pass to the middle. Bounce pass inside. Posting up. And to the corner. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. And recalls. And bounce pass. Floor shot. Yes, sir. Will attack. Kicks out. Drives the floater. Yes, sir. Oops. And drives to the oops. Batak. Lays it in. Bucket for 2. Biton. He'll pass. The bounce pass. Espines. Will drive. Inside pass. Fires off the window. Yes, sir. And setting the play. Spins. Goes to the screen. Deep 3. Batak. Negate. Bito on. Will drive. Rouse the handle. Stolen. And Batak, 2-on-1, the bounce pass. Lace, yes sir, basket and 1. And here's Team Wildcat. The high pass. Will kicks out. And the drives. Corner 3. Bang! 3 points. Simple. And ball is stolen by Limbo. Bitoon. And corner pass sa gitna, Liz. Libre, bucket for 2. And here's Team Wildcat. Passes to the middle. Fix. Drive, side step, Liz rejected. Recover. And stolen. And the pass, lumipad, Liz, easy 2. Sanga at pa 3-point area. Abang, 3 points sa Saret. Fires, bang, the answer. And stops the cross pass. Saret, tinignan ba yung guardia sa 3? Bang! And the crossover. Bounce pass. Open look at 3. Bang! The answer. And stolen. And the pass break. And kicks out. Open look again sa 3s. Bang! 3 points. 1. And now in hurry. Binit bait all the way to the hoops. Easy 2. And crossover. Distance and the pass. Corner 3. Too strong. Sumigsag. Crossover. Nakalusot. And the corner pass. Sanga. Attack. Side distance reverse layup. Sanga. And kicks out. Takes, drives to the hoops. Yes, sir, of the window. And side pass. Sa 3. Good. Corner 3. Bang! 3 point. Sa 3. Bang! 3 points. And sets the play to the corner. Will attack. Will kicks out. 3-point shot. Nugget. And the bounce pass in the middle. Yes, sir. Betoan. Bounce pass to the middle. To the kicks out. Goes to the baseline. The bounce pass. Another extra pass. Easy to Espinas. 3 minutes 35 seconds. Stolen by Bitoon. Bitoon, the pass, side step, Liz, yes sir. SP between the legs. Will attack. Behind the back pass, the Liz, negative. Bitoon now in hurry, the pass, the finish, yes sir. And for Wildcat, pass inside, rise of the window, Money. Bitoon left alone for 3. Bang! Bitoon. And spins between the legs. Post up. I-pass. Nakalusot. Reverse layup. Yes, sir. On. Inside pass. Spin. Sting up. Against Bitoon. Ihahatid. Falling away. Yes, sir. Bounce pass, will attack. Bounce pass inside. Bounce, another extra pass. Espinas. Congratulations. Caloocan.